A power that takes many forms. Might even prove to be your salvation, depending on where you end up.
The shadows are getting even more powerful. We need to get stronger, too.
Task Force X.
Who are we killing?
The Justice League. Show me what you got.
Going airborne!
How you feeling, Floyd?
Ready to kick your ass.
This place.
It was Sephiroth.
It can't be.
He wants to finish what he started and rule over the planet.
You coming?
Way ahead of ya!